Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today we want to make a video about interview. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Sabrina Nadia Shafwa, number absent 28.
My name is Azza Balkis, number absent 6.
So, enjoy for watching this video.
Assalamualaikum, good morning Miss.
Waalaikumsalam, good morning. Please take a seat. So, tell us about yourself.
Good morning. First of all, I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to participate in today's interview. My name is Azza Balkis. I am 17 years old and graduated from Senior High School 22 Jakarta. Majoring in account. I have practical work experience in the field of administration, so I am able to operate Microsoft Office.
Okay. Why do you want in this work?
I am interested in applying to this company because this company is known for its good reputation and is growing.
Next question. Why should I hire you?
You should help me because I am honest, responsible, and willing to learn. I will do my best for this job.
Then, how would your friends describe you?
My friend described me as a responsible and detail-oriented person, and I am willing to learn new things.
Okay, and last question. What motivated you?
My motivation is to work in administration because I enjoy working with data and numbers, and I want to develop my skills.
Okay. So, thank you for coming in this interview. I will call you later so you can go outside. Thank you, Mrs. Balkis.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. Good morning. Please take a seat. Tell us about yourself.
Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity and participating in today's interview. My name is Sabrina Nadia Shafwa. I am 19 years old. I'm graduate from SMK Widodo Jakarta, majoring accounting. I have internship experience at Lotte Grosir Pasar Bo as an administrator. I am interested in joining this company, and I am ready to make the best contribution to the company.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a complement staff with more responsibilities.
What salary are you looking for?
I am more focused on gaining experience in improving my skill.
How do you explain your job in employment?
During the period, I use my time to learn more about basic accounting.
What motivates you?
I am motivated by accuracy and responsibility in my work.
Okay, so thank you for coming in this interview. I will call you later so you can go outside. Thank you, Miss Sabrina.
Alright, okay, Miss.